To get access to skills on TAVA Skills, just visit our website, tavaskills.com. Then go to our skill library. Then scroll down to any of the skills you could see. This is a free one. That's a free one. So this one is a paid one. The ones down here too are also paid ones. So let's say you want to learn web design, how to create a website, bronze, silver, or the gold plan. You could click on any of the links. Click on it. It will take you to a payment page. Now on the payment page, you input your full name. My name is ABEYI Honor there. So that's my email. The plan I want to go for is the 15,000 plan. My phone number 08023989988. So I click on pay. She asked me to input my card details, which I will input here, and the card expiry date and the CVV number. That's the number at the back of your card, and then you click on pay. Once payment is made, it will take you to a success platform. So that's how to go about the payment. So I'll be inputting my card details now. Go ahead and click on continue. I won't get a text message on the phone I used to register. So they'll send me a short code. There's an OTP, one-time password. So I'm going to input the OTP they sent to me. So after I do that, I submit. And my payment is successful. So I tell you thank you for paying. So I can go back to the skills library and make another payment if I want to learn another skill. Thank you.